So our Claude has been downloaded, all right, and I'll just click on it to start the installation process, and then just grab from here and drop it down in applications. Then going into the applications, I can see the Claude is being copied here. Once it's finished, then we'll, yes, so now I can just click on that Claude, and it will take a few seconds to load Claude on MacBook. So just have to allow it as a third party application, not from App Store. Okay, so now we have on free plan, all right. So you just have to click on sign out first. So just to make sure that we are aligned, then we'll go with continue with Google. Click on continue with Google, and it will open up the browser application to log in into the cloud. Yes, click on continue, and once it's done, okay, so these are the process. Mm. So now my cloud has been installed successfully. First thing we need to do is to go to the help section. Okay, then in troubleshooting, you will see here uh, enable developer mode on. Okay, so you just have to click on that. I already have enabled that developer mode, so I'll just go into developer. Okay, and then click on configure third party interference, and here we can, on the gateway and the credentials type, this is where the magic will happen. First of all, I'll just click on static API key. Okay, and then back into the browser, I'll come to this website, type it token.com. I'll mention the link in the comments, in the description, sorry. Okay, and then we'll click on sign in. We don't have account, so continue with GitHub. So make sure that you have your GitHub account, and once it's authorized, there is no rocket science in that. And now I am signed in successfully. So what I need to do is to go to this API keys. Okay, and I click here. So currently I don't have any API, so I'll just click on create API key. I'll name it as Claude Test, and the expiry could be any. You can create a group if you want. Let's choose the default one. Okay, and the expiry to be never expired. Click on never. Quantity is 1. Okay, and then click on save changes. Once it's done, so here I can see that my API has been created. I'll just copy it from this button and then come into the gateway API key. I'll put that API key here, and in the gateway base URL, I'll just have to provide this website link. Okay, and then click on test connection to see that if the connection is successful or not. It may take a few seconds, but once it's done, you can see that it has found 4 models, and the inference is one token completion with Claude Opus using static API. Okay, and if you want to, there was one other thing. Let's see the models, that what kind of models this is providing. Okay, so we'll just come to home and go to dashboard. Here you can see the models. Yes, model scale. So we can use Claude 4.8, Claude Opus 5, and Claude Opus 5 Thinking. They are all for free. Okay, and once it's done, the connection is successful. Then I'll just click on Apply Changes, and then click on Save and Restart. So it will take a while to relaunch the Claude Code. So now you can see my Claude Code has been restarted, and here in account I have the gateway. Previously it was on my username, but now it's on gateway. Okay, so I can use Cowork or Claude Code inside the desktop application, whatever I want. Okay, and if you want to use any MCP server, which is a model context protocol, which works as a USB base to configure the cloud or the LLMs with to work with our applications or files. Okay, so from here we can just add any server, whatever you want. Okay, and yes, that's it. So now our Claude is ready to go, and we can add as many plugins as we want. Make sure to, and if I go to click on new conversation, here I will just choose code, and here I can see the models and the overview what each have. So the models are these are the previous models that I used from Open Router. Okay, and these are the usage that I've been using. Okay, and if you like this video, please follow, and here you can see the models: Claude Opus 5, Claude Opus 4.8, 4.8 Thinking, and Opus 5. Okay, so thank you, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit bell icon or like this video. Yes, thank you.